Hi friends, it's me, Manny the Meerkat. Welcome to Mannytopia.
In the forest so deep, where the sun takes a peek, lived a dragon so grumpy he forgot how to speak. His tail made a thud, his roar went grrr. Even the squirrels hid under their fur. But the bunnies hopped near with the hop, hop, hop. And the chipmunks squeak, don't you dare stop. Kindness can turn any mood around. Grumpy dragon, don't you frown. With hugs and laughs, we'll help you see the sun shines hiding in you and me. The fox brought a pie, it was berry not sly. The bird sang a tune with a twinkle and sigh. Even the ants did a tiny dance. The dragon blinked twice in a curious trance. A hug from the hedgehog, all so spiky and snug. A joke from the raccoon, what do you call a bug? The dragon snorted smoke, then a giggle did break. His scale shook so hard it rattled the lake. Kindness can turn any mood around. Grumpy dragon, don't you frown. With hugs and laughs, we'll help you see the sun shines hiding in you and
Don't forget to subscribe for more sing-along adventures videos with us every week.